Alright, so I'm going to be juicing cranberries and have ginger to go along with it right here. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with that. I'm going to go ahead and press the start button. I'm going to go ahead and already have some leftover celery stuff that I have right here. I'm just going to go ahead and put the ginger in first. See the ginger juice coming up right there a little bit. Yeah, I took the cap off right here so you can actually see the juice coming up from right here. See the juice, ginger juice. Then I have some cranberries. Just going to go ahead and put some cranberries in there. A little bit of rinse water that I have on there. I'm just going to get that off. I'm just going to go ahead and place the cranberries. See the cranberry juice coming out. Now, I chose to use the hard filter instead of the soft fruit filter for the cranberries because I thought it'd be a great idea. But I'd like to see what it looks like with the hard filter or the soft fruit filter. Smell the ginger in there. See the cranberry juice coming through there. See the pulp coming out. Oh, some of the pulp got into the main compartment, so just back that up a little bit. I think I was supposed to put this on. Let's see if I raise this up. Alright, so there you go. So that way the pulp won't run into there. Hopefully that'll do the trick. See the juice coming up at the top right there. Alright, got some good cranberry juice coming out. Alright, so it's plunged all in there. Still some juice coming out to the side right here. We're going to go ahead and press the stop. I'll show you the fan's still going. So here's the pulp, here's the cranberry and ginger juice right there, or ginger pulp. Comes out really dry, mushy. There's a lot of juice that came out. I'm just going to go ahead and take this out. And so I didn't have it on there right, so there a lot of pulp got inside of the cup right here. It's alright, not too bad. But it's important that you have this aligned right, or else you'll get a lot of pulp, which is right there, which I did not want. So I got a little bit of juice out of here. I think next time I'll align this right so I won't get so much pulp in the juice compartment. But there it is, ginger and cranberry juice from out of the Angel juicer. Hope this was helpful.